Hey YouTube, it's Brian Red here with another episode of Ramen Noodle Budgets, and I know I'm uploading a whole bunch of videos at once, like I tend to do, and not really have a predisposed schedule for videos. But I thought I'd get this one done because I had time and I should be writing an 8-page term paper, but I'd rather not. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm wearing this adorable Box Lunch exclusive. It's a baby Niffler shirt, and then it's a Niffler cardigan. It has like the Niffler on it and Newt's case and stuff. It's super cute, and if you follow Box Lunch on social media, you guys will be seeing me in photos in that. They asked if they could use my photos for their site and stuff, which is super awesome. I'm like a non-paid model. It's really not that awesome now that I think of it. But I wanted to show off something that you guys know I've been super excited for, and I wanted my full-on review of the new Newt Scamander official jacket for The Crimes of Grindelwald. If you guys watched my Cosplay Sky review on their whole outfit, you know I was a bit disappointed with the whole entire set, and I was really looking forward to Hot Topic releasing their jacket, and they did. They delivered, and overall I'm very happy with it. So I actually got this jacket a few weeks before it was originally released. For some reason, some random Hot Topic stores, as well as Box Lunch, which is a like a side company of Hot Topic, though they try and make them as separate as possibly they can be for some reason. Anyways, I messaged one of the Box Lunch, because our Box Lunch, our closest one's like an hour away, and our closest Hot Topic's like 15 minutes. Our Hot Topic didn't get them in, but I contacted the Box Lunch and they had it in there. So I went into the store, I bought it. It was $89 at Box Lunch, and it's currently $79 at Hot Topic. I don't know why there's such a big price difference there. And I picked up a size small, and it fit beautifully. So I'm gonna have a whole bunch of close-up shots interweaved with this video. So overall, the fabric and color is obviously a lot different than the original blue jacket. It's more of like a striped, I want to say like a tweed, maybe like a, you know, I really don't know what kind of fabric it is. It's gray. It's definitely, there's no blue showing in this jacket at all, which isn't all that accurate to the new film because we have seen quite a bit of blue from obviously color correction. And the costume designers themselves stated that they threw in spritz of blue, I think by airbrushing it or screen printing it on the jacket so that in some lighting it showed up blue. That doesn't have any of that, so if you want to do that, you're gonna have to do that yourself. Maybe you can airbrush on some blue and stuff. But yeah, overall, I was incredibly impressed with the jacket. It's the thickness of the jacket. It's pretty thick. It's a lot thicker than the Cosplay Sky outfit. Though it is substantially thinner than the original Hot Topic blue Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them jacket. I think it is closer, I think, to the Elope jacket, their blue version. I think Hot Topic actually released a second blue jacket once the first one sold out. That's probably very similar in thickness to this, but it is quite a warm jacket, and with the lining that I'll show in a little bit, that it's also makes the jacket feel a lot more real, like you can wear this all the time, like I've been doing. So the jacket does feature on the back of the neck a faux leather piece that on my Cosplay Sky jacket was sewn on backwards. They did opt out of the fine detailing like they also did in the blue jacket a few years ago, but honestly, in my opinion, it's really not that noticeable. The collar itself doesn't all that well like it should, though this is trying to be more of an inspired by, not 100% accurate jacket. But you can hold it up if you'd like. I have some cosplay photos of me wearing my entire set with this jacket, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. Though I normally, when I wear it out, I tend to wear the collar down because it just works out better that way. There is also another breast pocket, and this breast pocket is actually accurate because it kind of has the sweeping motion. It hasn't been opened on mine yet. You do need to open it, but it is a functional pocket in there. You just need a seam ripper. The pockets on this jacket are a bit different than the one from a few years ago. They didn't line it, but it is still a functional pocket and holds actually quite a few items. I always fill them up. The one issue with this jacket I've noticed so far is the buttons. Now, the buttons aren't accurate either, but I really didn't care about that. I really worried more about they're not exactly stuck on there. They are shank buttons, and they're only sewn on with, it looks like, about 2 loops of normal thread, not even button, strong button thread. And this really kind of depleted my jacket is because on the back here, there are supposed to be 2 belts that hang down. There's the one with the loops, and then there's one with the actual buckle piece. As I was out walking one day, I didn't notice one of the buttons fell off, and I lost the belt, and I have not actually found it. I've looked everywhere, and I could not find the belt that I lost. So the way they advertise it online and stuff is the belt actually swoops around and you can clasp it in the front, though we haven't seen Newt do that at all. He always carries his 2 belts in the back like that. So I ended up having an extra button that came with the outfit, which was really good in my point. And I sewed it back on there, and then I also reinforced the other one. So I'd recommend highly recommend re-sewing the buttons on here. And then these back pieces also do come off. So since I lost the other buckle, I normally just wear it like this, but they do come on and off, which is nice. And I think I'm gonna buy another jacket and actually sew them across here so that they don't fall off, because I'm not gonna obviously wear it across the front because I think it looks stupid. The jacket also does have the iconic wand pocket like the original one did, which I think is really useful. It's not exactly in an accurate spot, I think, on his actual costume. It's interweaved in the lining of the jacket, which is near kind of his breast pocket on the inside, but they opted for more of like the front jacket part, so that's fine. The lining of the jacket is actually really screen accurate besides the back, like the inner back design, which obviously won't be seen because it'll be worn, but it is a really, really cool kind of design. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to be. And then you can see it is licensed, so you have the Crimes of Grindelwald logo near the tag, and that is the lining. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video off with a few different photos of me wearing the jacket. I absolutely love it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. There are a few issues, but I don't think anything's perfect when it comes to mass-produced cosplay items like this, and it's obviously something you can also wear day to day like I do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Look forward to, I have another Newt Scamander tutorial coming up. I have the Cinna Replica suitcase coming, I know, very exciting. And also the Newt Scamander light painting wand, which I'm going to use as an LED wand for this costume. So thank you guys so much for watching.